Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day today. It's been a great day for me. This video is just a little overdue. Yeah. Um, all right, let's get on with it. This is a very exciting mail call. Not gonna show y'all the box. The box is too big to put in my little area right here. Um, but I received a package from Steve over at My Honeys Handmade. Y'all got to go check out his channel. Um, in his channel, he's got a video about what he sent me, and I'll have that video link in my description along with his channel link in my description. So y'all please go check that out. But I've been talking about wanting to get into laser work just a little bit because I would like to use it on some of the things that I do. I want to start doing some signing on my pieces and whatnot, and I want a custom maker's mark that's the same every time, and a laser is the way to do that, I feel. And I've reached out to a company to see if they would try to mess with my little YouTube channel, and just I haven't heard nothing back from them, which is okay. But Steve over at My Honeys Handmade, he received a laser to do a review video for, and once he was done with that video, he was able to do what he wanted to do with the laser. He sent it to me. Totally blew my mind, but bam. Y'all go check his channel out, check that video out. It'll show it in work. It'll show him using it and what it can do and can't do. Again, I haven't taken it out the box yet just to put it together. I'm trying to get my little spot for it prepared and get it all ready. Plus it's intimidating, but yeah, I've babbled in this video, but I mean, I can't say thank you enough, Steve. I know this wasn't, this meant the world to me. That's all I can say. You know, I do greatly appreciate it. You could have done anything with this. You could have done a members giveaway or a subscriber giveaway or whatever, but you chose to send it to Grumpy. And thank you, sir. But yeah, when I get it going, I will definitely put some videos up in there for everybody to see. That is for sure. And again, y'all, please go check out my description. I'm going to have a link for the video that Steve made for this and a link to Steve's channel. And I believe in Steve's video, he has a link for a discount code for this particular laser. If you go through Steve's link, that'll all be in his video, but I'll try to go through there and get that link pulled out and put it in mine for Steve as well. And he'll get a kickback off of it for sure. But man, y'all, if y'all are into lasers, y'all go check that out and maybe give that a shot. But man, Steve, thank you so much, sir. You just don't know. Everybody, be awesome, stay laid back, and remember, it's my job to be the happiest damn grumpy that y'all know. God bless everybody. Y'all stay safe.